The Olympic Games are a spectacle unlike any other. Over 11,000 athletes will descend on Tokyo chasing ultimate sporting glory across 50 disciplines in 339 events. We'll be bringing you all the big developments and storylines as they happen, but this is a teaser. Here's a pick of some of the biggest global stars to keep an eye on at these games.
Simone Biles joined the pantheon of Olympic royalty in her debut appearance at Rio 2016, winning 4 golds and 5 medals overall. In the years since, the American has become arguably the greatest gymnast of all time with an astounding 19 World Championship titles, and she remains undefeated in her pet all-around event in 9 years. Now 24 and a veteran of the sport, Biles has added a number of new, never-before-seen skills to her repertoire and is poised for more domination in Tokyo. For 3 straight Olympic Games, Usain Bolt was the undisputed star of the athletics competition. Now that the Jamaican great has retired, his mantle is up for grabs. There are a few contenders. Americans Trayvon Bromell and Noah Lyles are favourites in the 100 and 200 metres, but Tokyo 2020 is expected to be the crowning of pole vault superstar Mondo Duplantis. The Swedish sensation has been virtually untouchable since missing out on gold at the 2019 World Championships, and he is the current world record holder. From an Olympic debutante to a decorated veteran with 6 gold medals and 3 silvers. Allyson Felix is now 35 years of age, a mother and a vocal social activist. But she's still a gun over her pet 400 meters and through to her 5th Olympic Games. Just one more medal in Tokyo, and Felix will stand alone as the most decorated female track star in the history of the Games. Speaking of mothers, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce created headlines in June when at 34 years of age she ran the second fastest 100 meters race of all time, 10.63 seconds. She won consecutive golds in 2008 and 2012 and is a strong contender to become the first woman in history to win 3 Olympic titles over the distance. To do it, she will have to overcome a stellar field in what could be one of the standout events of these Games. Michael Phelps is synonymous with the Olympic Games, but his retirement has left a bit of a power vacuum at the top of world swimming. The man who could take over the baton is Caleb Dressel. For the last 4 years, Dressel has dominated the sprints, winning 13 golds across the last 2 World Championships and smashing 3 world records in 2020. He is likely to feature in 7 races and is the gold medal favourite in all of them. The tennis competition in Tokyo might be devoid of a few high-profile stars, but history is in the making nonetheless. Novak Djokovic has already won 3 Grand Slam titles this year and equaled the men's record of 20. He will attempt to break that record later at the US Open, but Tokyo provides the chance to add an elusive Olympic gold to the trophy cabinet and move a step closer to the unprecedented Golden Slam of men's tennis. Host Japan are eyeing a record medal haul on home soil, and they have no bigger global sporting icon than Naomi Osaka. The 4-time Grand Slam champion has the spotlight firmly trained on her as she returns to action for the first time since the French Open, when she withdrew after refusing to speak to the media. Osaka's biggest challenge will come from Wimbledon champion and world number 1 Ashley Barty. Badminton is one of Japan's most popular sports, and they have challengers in both the men's and women's singles. Men's world number 1 Kento Momota was banned from the last Olympics and suffered a career-threatening car crash in 2020. But he was unstoppable the year earlier, and he carries the hopes of a nation. Nozomi Okuhara and Akane Yamaguchi are both strong contenders in a stacked women's draw. Our final pick is slightly left field. 13-year-old Sky Brown is one of the youngest competitors at Tokyo 2020, but what sets her apart is that she's actually a medal contender. Skateboarding is making its debut at these games, and the British youngster with some Japanese roots is ranked third in the world in the park event. She also won a bronze medal at the World Championships in 2019 as an 11-year-old.